Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the center problem of economics. Center problem means the uses of scarce resources with unlimited wants. Means the rich or poor develop every economy must face three center problem: what to produce, how to produce, and from whom to produce. The scarcity is root of the center problem. The problem of choice which give rise to various center problem of economic is also defined as the problem of economic resources. The problem find its root in the concept of scarcity. We can say that scarcity is the mother of all economic problems. So first, allocation of resources. It is the basic problem related to utilizations of resources for the productions of different goods service. Basically an economic has to face problem of productions of the community. Means what to produce and how to produce and from whom to produce. These are related with distribution of produce community and utilizations of resources. Now first, what to produce in what quantity. An economy must be decided to think which of the possible commodities should be produced and how much each of these commodities should be produced. Each economic has to make choice as to which wants it should satisfy and which one is should be forego. For this it has to make choice from the following alternative: choice between the consumer goods, choice between the civil goods and peace time goods, choice between necessary goods, choice between private goods. This is a problem lies due to the scarcity of resources. It is on the basis of these choice that country decided about the allocation of scarce resources for the protection of various community. For example, on given piece of land all crop cannot be grow. If the used to growing wheat on then area on which wheat is grow, other crop cannot be grow. Next, how to produce. This problem of choice of technique is the problem of choice of techniques or method of production. Here the problem is how to determine the optimum combinations of input, that is labor and capital, to be used in production of goods and services. And this problem arises because of resources are scarce and therefore there is more than one possible way to which goods or service can be produced. Agriculture goods can be produced through extensive cultivation or intensive cultivation. Manufactured goods can either be produced by using a labor intensive and capital intensive technique of the production. The alternative technique of production involve different costs, therefore which should be regarded as most efficient technique of production is the problem of how to produce. The technique which is used least amount of scarce resources. For example, cloth can be produced with labor intensive as well as capital intensive techniques. So which techniques used production for cloth is a problem how to produce. Next, from whom to produce, it is a problem of distribution of income among factor of productions. How should the produce of the economy be distributed among the individual in the economy? Who will consume the goods and the service produced? Few rich or many poor, or vice versa. From whom to produce means that who will buy the goods service produced. Clearly, those who have income will able to buy. So, problem amount how the national income be distributed among the people in an economy. Goods and services are produced especially for the people who can purchase them, and purchase power dependently meant on the distributions of income from the output among the factor of productions. Here are two things the problem has to expect: personal distribution and functional distribution. Personal distribution, how should output being distributed among the different individual household and constituency society. It also concerned with the problem of inequality distribution of income. Functional distribution, how should output be distributed among different factor of production. How much should go to labor in the form of wages, to landlord in the form of rent, to enterprises in the form of profit. It is a capitalist economic, and distribution take place with the help of the price mechanism.